Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the topic percentage. First of all, the wording is what is percentage, and here we will use the percentage word. In the normal life, we will use percentage when we purchase any item. Then many times we can hear that 10% is off in this item, 20% is off at this item. We can hear many times. So how can we find out the percentage which are off on that items? Okay. So see here, percentage. What is the definition of percentage? The numerator of any fraction where the denominator is 100, that fraction is called percentage. Like that, 7 upon 100. Okay, that is percentage. If I find out the percentage of 8, then I divide it by 100 and put the sign of percentage. This is the sign of percentage. So, if we have to find out the fractions as a percent, then if I have the number 2 upon 5 and I have to express this in the percentage form, then I will multiply by 100%. Where the sign of percentage will come? If I multiply or divide by 100, then the denominator, which is 100, it becomes the sign of percentage. That means the percentage is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay? So I can express it in the form of percentage. 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 multiplied 100%. Now, what did 20 times 40%. 40% will be the answer. Okay? That means 2 upon 5 will be the percentage 40%. After that, express the fraction in its simplest form. Express the percentage into the fraction in its simplest form. If I have the number 0.75%, I have to convert it into fraction firstly and then remove this percentage sign. So 0.75, to remove this percentage, we will divide by 100 to convert it into fraction. So what will be the fraction? 25 divided by 3 times, and this is for 400 times. So 3 upon 400 will be the fraction. Okay? Now the next example, if we find out the 20% of 800, what will we do? We will place for this percentage sign denominator 100 and for both multiply and 800. Now we will cut 0 by these zeros. Now answer will be 160. So we can say 20% of 800 will be 160. Okay. Now the next example, 145% of 30. What will be the value? What will be the 145% of 30? So 145. For this percentage, we will place 1 upon 100. 100 and 4 multiply 30. We can cut 0. Now by 5, we can cut 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 times are 45. Now multiply 29 multiply 3 times is 27, 3 2 is 6 and 2 8, 87 upon 2, or I can write it is in the form of fraction and we can write it in the decimal form also. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6.5. Answer. So we can say 43.5 will be the 145% Now the next question, next example, find the number whose 6% is 42. Find the number whose 6% is 42. So, we will assume that x is the number whose 6% is 42. So, I can write that 6% of x is 42. Then we will solve the question. 6 place. For this percentage sign, I will place 100. That means in denominator we will write 100. For the O, multiply x for S is equal to 42. Now we have to find out the value of x. So we will transport the numbers. Transport this fraction into the other side. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Got it? 6 7s are 42. So x is equal to 700. That means 700 is the number whose 6% is 42. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next question. If we find out the increase percentage or decrease, how much increase or decrease, if we find out rupee 90 by 10%, rupee 90 by 10%, if we increase 90 by 10%, you know that every number or every object has the percentage value fully 100%, and if we increase it by 10%, then it will be 100 plus 10, 110. So, we have to find out the 100% of 90. We will find out 100% just because 90 is 100% in itself, okay? And we have to increase it by 10%, so it will be 100. And for the percentile sign, denominator 100. Got it? Now, the answer will be 11 and the 99. So that means if we increase 90 by 10%, the answer will be 99. Got it? Okay.